Okay, next we will go on to the Boyle's law. Okay, example 2. So just to recap a little bit, Boyle's law is basically talking about the relationship between pressure and the volume. So when the pressure increases, the volume will decrease. So it's actually pressure is inversely proportional to your volume. Okay, which results that P times V is equals to a constant. Okay, now so right here you have a mass of oxygen occupying 5 dm cube under the pressure 740 mHg. Okay, you can check your page 5. Okay, for the units conversion. Alright, you will there's no need for you to convert anything here, because here we just need because the unit will cancel out. Okay, later we will see why. So, but if you are interested, you can see how to interconvert between your mHg and your Pascal. Okay, on page 5. Alright, okay, determine the volume of the same mass of gas at standard pressure, which is 760 mHg, assuming that the temperature is constant. Okay, remains constant. Now, so this is Boyle's law. Boyle's law tells you the relationship between P and V, okay, under a constant temperature. Okay, under a constant temperature. Now, so right here, alright, now you see that P1, whenever P1 times V1 is actually equals to a constant. Okay, you take another pressure times another volume, okay, it will, and its corresponding volume, right, okay, it will also decay, which is why in this case, we can actually equate both of them together, because when you take a pressure times its corresponding volume at a particular temperature, it will always be a constant. Okay, so here we got the relationship P1V1 equals to P2V2. Alright, now let me talk about a little bit about the units. Okay, the question I want to ask you is, do I need to convert any units here? Alright, okay, bear in mind that you see what happens when I times P1 and V1 together. So let's say I don't convert, okay, I just multiply 740 mHg times 5, okay, yeah, it's actually equals to 760 mHg times the P2. Okay, I didn't put question mark, put V2. Okay, now you will see that to calculate my V2, right, okay, V2 will be equals to, I go and manipulate a little bit, P1V1 over P2. Okay, you see that P1 over P2, right? As long as they have the same unit, okay, they are good to go, because you don't have to convert anything. Okay, you don't have to convert anything, which means here will be 740 times 5 over 760. But since the unit are the same, right? So okay, the unit can cancel out one. Sorry, okay, the unit can cancel out one. So in this case, there's no need to convert anything. Okay, later you will see why I'm bringing this point, because you see the temperature, you will need to change the units, and only for temperature you need to change to Kelvin as the SI unit. Okay, yep. So my final volume here, I'm plugging everything correctly. It will be 4.87 times 4.87 dm cube. Okay, yep. So that's all for question 2.